What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome today. If you guys can't tell, I'm very excited. I'm smiling ear to ear. And guys, today you guys get to find out who the new sponsor is. And guys, I'm happy and excited and honored to tell you that it is Diesel Auto Power. We've been communicating with these guys back and forth for a little while now, not too long. It was just an incredible opportunity. You know, we came to these guys and we were just like, you know, kind of told them our goal and our mission and what we want to get done and, you know, what we're looking for in a company. And, you know, these guys they're just so kind and they just jumped on it and they're like, you know what? You're the people we're looking for. We want to work with you. And I was like, you know, and it just worked out perfect. You know, we want to work with them. They wanted to work with us, and just super cool guys over there. I know you guys are probably going to watch this, DAP, and Brady and Jacob over there. I think there's a couple Jacobs over there. You guys are just awesome, just hooking us up. And, you know, just every time we call or anytime, you know, send an email, you guys are just super responsive, just thorough, generous, and just always making sure that, you know, we're well taken care of. And that's just something that I absolutely love about a company. It's definitely different when you're trying to work with a company that either you don't really want to work with or that doesn't really want to work with you, but you guys kind of settle and say, you know, we're gonna make it work. This is a different experience, you know, like from the get-go, we've wanted to work with DAP, and DAP, as soon as we emailed them, they wanted to work with us and they were all over it. And so it just worked out perfect, and we couldn't be happier. And guys, it's not just one of those things that it's like, oh, you know, it's gonna benefit us. Guys, it's gonna benefit you guys too. I want you guys to all, by the end of this video, go check out dieselautopower.com. I'll leave a link down in the description. It's just super, super good guys over there. They know their stuff. They know how to treat people. And that's the kind of companies you guys want to give your hard-earned dollars to. And I really mean that. And they have a lot of stuff for first gens, second gens, really just 12 valves, 24 valves is like what they specialize in, but they have all sorts of stuff for all different truck owners and all different truck needs. They know their stuff. They have really good prices and stuff. And like when I go to their website, it's just, you can't go there and not want to fill your cart with stuff. It's just one of those places. You know, the difference is between a website, you get excited when you get on, and then a website, when you get on, you're like, oh dang, I can't afford half the stuff here, you know what I mean? But it's high quality stuff, and it's at a great price, and it's, you know, provided by great people. It's just all those things just tied together, and it worked out for us, and we knew it would work out for you guys as well. That's the route we decided to go, and then they were really excited to work with us. It's just been, it's a privilege to be able to work with you guys. I know you're gonna see this video, and I'm just super excited to see where the future goes with this. This is just the beginning. There's a lot of stuff coming up, and I just cannot wait to see where this ends up going. Let's take a look at some of the stuff that they had sent us in to get started on the Nasty Red, because like I said, that's the truck we wanted to start with first, kind of get that truck going, because it's had a little bit more time on the channel, but it hasn't had the attention it deserves. And so I figured, you know, we've had this truck longer. I just got my dually in December. We've had this thing since September, and I was like, why don't we just get this truck and we get it going, we get it moving, because a lot of people came for this truck before they came for my dually, so I just feel like that audience especially deserves to see some build stuff as well. And then we'll get to my truck at some point here very soon. I don't want any of this to sound like, you know, me, okay? But you know, there's a lot of people over the past handful of weeks, and I kind of told you guys, I'm like, guys, it's slow, but I promise you, I'm working on something. We're trying to work stuff out. You know, we're trying to make it happen. So don't just think, you know, we're not actually trying to move forward with this. I was trying to move forward with it. Dad was trying to move forward with it. DAP was working on this stuff. There's a lot of stuff going on that people just don't see. And there was a lot of people that were kind of frustrated, you know, like, oh, you know, I'm just leaving, I'm unsubscribing because, you know, whatever. Nothing's gonna actually happen. He's just all talk. You know, nothing's gonna play out. When I say something's gonna happen, it's probably gonna happen, you know, and it's not just me, but guys, another thing I wanna tell you, even though January was the slowest month for build content and project stuff, it was probably the month with the least amount of build stuff this channel's probably ever seen. But guys, that did not stop you guys from just killing it, okay? You wanna know the craziest part about this is, and this is why I flip and love you guys. You guys are just awesome. That is why I call you guys family. That's why I call you guys a team, okay? This stuff does not happen. Goals do not get met without a team effort. There's small scale stuff that you can do on your own, but when it comes to big picture and big goals and big dreams and big visions, it takes more than just one person a lot of the time. The channel, Loud and Proud, broke a ton of records that it's never seen before, okay? And so I just thought I'd bring this up because this is a big day. You know, know, not just for a sponsorship. I just want to tell you guys how thankful I am for the group of guys that we have here, guys and ladies watching this stuff every single day. And like I've said, you know, I said just a little bit ago, January was the slowest month for build content. I mean, we did some stuff on the 6.7, you know, got deleted and stuff. But in general, January was the slowest month for build content. And content in general, I think I missed a handful of days in January. We broke a lot of records for Loud and Proud. You know, this isn't just a me bragging on myself, okay? This is because of you guys. Since I absolutely love the Loud and Proud crowd, I'm going to read you guys off some of these stats. When I say leave your likes, leave your comments, you know, stuff like that, that is because that stuff helps channels grow. It helps channels move forward. And without the likes, without the comments, without the views, without the, you know, the engagement of watching the videos all the way through and stuff, that stuff just doesn't happen. And then we're gonna get through some of the stuff that DAP sent us in. The slowest month on the channel in terms of project stuff, the slowest month, these are the things that we broke that this channel's never seen before. And this was the biggest booming month ever for Loud and Proud. 6 million minutes watched on the channel, 1.1 million views. That's 2 times what my previous highest month was. 25,000 likes, 1,600 dislikes, that's also a record. Over 4,000 comments, almost 9,000 subscribers in the month of January alone. That's almost a fourth of the people, that, you know, that is just about a fourth of the people that are subscribed to this channel over the last almost 9 months. A fourth of those people subscribed just this month alone. Holy stinking moly. Like I've said so many times, this stuff does not happen without a team, without a family. And you guys make a dream come true for me every flipping day. Every day I turn on this camera and I have the opportunity, and it's a privilege to be able to make content for you guys, because nobody's entitled, nobody's guaranteed, or nobody's promised, you know, any kind of success in life, any joy in what they do. I'm privileged to be able to do this every single day, and I'm very, very fortunate to have you guys here watching every single day. It's incredible, and I couldn't do without you, and I sincerely mean that, and I hope you guys can see that I do really mean that. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for buying the merch, for just you guys just blow my mind every day, okay? So I just want to say huge thank you to all the Loud and Proud crowd, all the family, all the team. A huge thank you to Diesel Auto Power for joining in on this and being a part of this. And the cool thing is, that's only the first month of 2018, and we've already broke all records that we've ever had on this channel by about ×2, okay? We pretty much doubled everything that this channel's ever seen in 1 month, and it was the slowest month for the channel in terms of content. 2018 is going to be a heck of a year. We've got a lot of stuff coming up, and we've also got the giveaway truck coming up this summer, guys. We're going to be giving away a truck. When I say we, I mean I'm gonna be giving away a truck. That stuff doesn't happen also without you guys, so thank you guys so much, really appreciate it. Let's get into some of the stuff that DAP sent us. We're not actually gonna be able to install stuff today. It's freezing cold out here, and I told my dad, I said, if we're gonna actually be doing engine work on stuff, I wanna have a heater out here because it's flipping cold. Luckily I'm in the barn and there's no wind, but it's 19 degrees right now, and it's just freezing. DAP hooked us up with all kinds of stuff, all kinds of air fresheners, and this box is not this messy when they sent it. I actually messed this box up. I mean, koozies, air fresheners, calendars, decals, shirts, of course, horsepower mods. They sent us a flipping banner, dude. They got us a calendar, and I feel like I've seen this truck on Instagram a few times, so I don't know if you're gonna see this video, bro, but sweet truck, it's awesome. But they sent us a DAP calendar. The DAP decal is officially on the door. It's official. DAP is being used in this shop from this day forward. So excited. You know what's on the door? It's official. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, let's get into the horsepower mods now and just kind of give you an idea of what they sent us. You know, in the mod list, I did kind of go through some of that stuff, but we're just going to go through again and just kind of let you know what all they did send. AFC air fuel control kit for the 12 valve, okay? This truck doesn't have it, my truck doesn't have it, but this one is just for nasty red. And once this truck kind of gets wrapped up, then we'll move forward with my build. That's just the way we want to do it, and that's the way we're going to do it. These are the 024 delivery valves. Your 3K, 4K governor spring kit with a little manual inside of all these boxes that tells you the parts you're going to need and what they suggest you do to complete the install. Here's an exciting one. DAP 120 horsepower injectors. Very excited to get those in the nasty red. And we talked to Jacob over there, and he kind of went through all of his suggestions, everything that he would do, why he would do it, and all the benefits and reasons for that stuff. And so he hooked us up with all that stuff. We got the injectors, 3K, 4K governor springs, the delivery valves, AFC air fuel control kit, Diesel Auto Power Boost Elbow. Number 5 fuel plate that we can swap out. And this is your Cummins injector puller. 60-pound valve springs. I want 12 of those. And then push rods for the engine as well. So a lot of good stuff here, a lot of high quality parts. And Diesel Auto Power, thank you guys so much for hooking us up. You guys are the real deal. Everybody definitely go and check out Diesel Auto Power. Let them know that the guys over at Loud and Proud sent you, and they will help you out with whatever you're gonna need. So give them a call. They can hook you up with what they suggest and stuff like that, or just check out their website. Maybe you already know what you want. You know, go through there, see what they have for you. They have a lot of stuff for 12 valves, 24 valves, Cummins in general, and then of course they've got some other stuff. But yeah, really good guys, know their stuff. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to work with Diesel Auto Power. Definitely go and check out their website, check out their stuff. They got cool hats, hoodies, you know, of course, horsepower mods, that's the biggest deal. Dude, we got a banner. But all kinds of cool stuff over there for you guys to go check out. Great prices on a lot of their stuff. So I would definitely recommend you go and take a look at their website and see what they have for your truck and your application. If you're not sure what you want, if you're not exactly sure what you need, give them a call. Ask them what they would suggest for your truck and your goals and what you're looking to do. I'm sure they will be more than happy to help you out and get you set up with the parts that you need. Huge thank you for a record-breaking month for Loud and Proud in one of the slowest content months this channel's ever seen. So thank you guys so much. Like I said, guys, it was a calm before the storm. It was slow, but it's about to unfold and a lot of stuff's about to happen. And you know what's crazy? These parts right here, this is only this amount of what's about to come in. So if you guys are excited about just that stuff, you might want to stay tuned, because once that stuff's getting close to wrapped up, we've got a lot of stuff coming. Actually, that stuff's probably going to come before this stuff's even all installed, but we're going to be working on this stuff, and then we've got a bunch of stuff. I'm talking exhaust for the truck, shocks for the truck, wheels, tires, flatbed, I mean just all kinds of stuff. You guys definitely don't want to miss out on that stuff. And if you guys have not heard yet, I am planning to give away a truck this summer, a 12-valve Cummins, kind of like that one, but built, cool, awesome looking truck, and you guys are definitely going to want to be a part of that giveaway. So if you guys want to be a part of that giveaway, subscribe, stay tuned. Hopefully that stuff unfolds and everything goes well and goes to plan. Thank you guys so much for all the support. You guys never cease to amaze me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Let me know down in the comments below, how excited are you about me working with Diesel Auto Power, about us working with Diesel Auto Power. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. Join the team, join the family, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.